a poster for a fishing competition organized by the pond owners and fishing organization in Hangne, West Jaintia Hills District. The event, named the Fishing Competition Pengjiang Yu Edwin Lingdo, is scheduled for September 20th, 2025 from 9:30 a.m. to 3 p.m. Below is a detailed explanation of the competition based on the information presented. Event overview. Organizer by Jaintia Pond Owners and Fishing Organization. Location, Hangne, West Jaintia Hills District. Date and time, September 20th, 2025, 9:30 a.m. to 3 p.m. Entry fee, Rs 2,500 per ticket. Purpose, a competitive fishing event with cash prizes and a lucky draw, aimed at showcasing angling skills and fostering community engagement. Prize structure, the competition offers substantial cash prizes for the top 22 positions, with additional consolation prizes and a lucky draw. The prizes are as follows. Main prizes: first place, Rs 10 lakh plus certificate. Second place, Rs 10 lakh plus certificate. Third place, Rs 10 plus certificate. Fourth place, Rs 3 lakh plus certificate. Fifth place, Rs 1 lakh 50,000 plus certificate. Sixth to 11th place, Rs 1 lakh each plus certificate. 12th to 17th place, Rs 1 lakh each plus certificate. 18th to 20th place, Rs 1 lakh each plus certificate. 21st place, Rs 30,000 plus certificate. 22nd place, Rs 20,000 plus certificate. Consolation prizes, first to fourth consolation, Rs 10,000 each. Fifth to 10th consolation, Rs 10,000 each. Lucky draw. In addition to the competition prizes, there is a lucky draw with the following rewards. First prize, Rs 4 lakh. Second prize, Rs 1 lakh. Third prize, Rs 30,000. Fourth prize, Rs 10,000. Ticket for lucky draw cost 300 per ticket and 502 tickets. Registration and payment. Booking and payment. Participants can book and pay either in cash or online. Registration deadline. Last date for registration is September 15th, 2025, with payments accepted until 10 hours 9 minutes and 25 seconds p.m. on that date. Lucky draw ticket purchase. Tickets for the lucky draw can be bought until September 19th, 2025 at 1 p.m. Additional rules and notes. Fish size requirement. Participants must catch fish at least 13 inches long to qualify. Contact information. For further details, participants can reach out via the provided phone numbers 93660652727, 7005699286, or 96155498184. Event schedule and logistics. The competition will run for approximately 5.5 hours, from 9:30 a.m. to 3 p.m. The poster includes instructions in the local language, likely Khasi, indicating community involvement and accessibility for local participants. The event appears to be a significant local gathering, potentially attracting anglers from the region to compete for the substantial cash prizes.